Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today has been a little bit of a different day. So we got an email in our neighborhood that the electric company is going to be doing maintenance, or was going to be doing maintenance on the circuit something for our neighborhood. So our electricity would be out for 4 hours today. So I decided I'm not gonna stay at the house while that's being done because it's hot here. So I decided I would just take a stroll through Sam's, you know, just kind of see what they've got, see what's going on. Well, let me tell you, they've got a huge sale going on. I don't know if it's just my Sam's or if it's Sam's everywhere. So you need to check out your Sam's because they've got tons of savings with Sam's today. But so today what I'm gonna do is, when I started seeing all the sales, I just started taking little video clips of all the different things that were for sale or that were on sale. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the different things that are on sale in each kind of department. Then I'm gonna show you what I got, some of the things that I took advantage of from those departments. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start showing you some of what they have on sale. I'm gonna start off with cleaning and laundry products. Okay, for the cleaning, I guess, department, cleaning category, what I took advantage of was the laundry stuff. So I got, and I wanted to explain to you because I'm not sure if you guys noticed what I was doing, but on some of the things, the little sign says scan and go price. So if you have the Sam's app, you can scan your barcodes as you shop, and that way when it's time to check out, you just press check out. You don't have to stand in line. You just take your little barcode receipt to the door and they just scan it and you can go. So it makes it much quicker. So apparently, I don't know if they've always done this. I've never noticed it before, but now they have some sales where if you use your Scan and Go app, you will get a price that the people who don't have the app will get. So one of those items was the laundry detergent. So I got that at a Scan and Go price. I think it saved me like, I don't know, $3 or $4. Another one of the items was this Downy Unstoppable, what do they call it? Fresh scent boosters. Now I showed in the video, it shows the green colored ones, but the purple ones were also part of that Scan and Go price. So I got the purple ones just because I like purple better. But anyway, another one was the Downy fabric softener. I took advantage of that Scan and Go price. And the last thing in the cleaning that I took advantage of was the dishwasher little pods. and you get 100 tabs. So yeah, I think this was also Scan and Go, but it may have just been on sale. I don't remember. But anyway, that is what I took advantage of in the cleaning department. These next items basically all come from the grocery side of the store. It seemed like practically all of their shampoo and conditioner had some kind of savings, but they had a ton available. So if you need shampoo and conditioner, Sam's is the place to go. It was the same with their toothpaste. Practically all of their toothpaste had some sort of savings. As you can see, there wasn't really too much in the food department. Now, I didn't go into the cold section just because I wasn't sure how long my electricity would be off. So I didn't get anything that needed to be refrigerated or frozen. But the things that I did get are things that I typically always get from Sam's. And it's just kind of a favorite in our house. One of the things is the On the Border salsa. And you get the salsa con queso and the Monterey Jack queso. And I think it was like $7 or $8 for that. And every season they have their paper plates and they have different styles for the season. So like in spring they were floral. Now for summer these are like fruits and then summer colors. So sometimes there's two designs, but I think this one only has just this one design. But sometimes for the season, there's two different designs in one pack. But you get 85 and the price was a little over $10. This is something I always get. And then this is something that they had, one of the ladies was sampling, giving samples. You need to go to Sam's because she said they're only for a limited time and they're only sold at Sam's. But let me tell you, so good. Nutty Banana French Toast Trail Mix. Look at that. You get French toast squares, banana chips, yogurt chips, roasted almonds, maple clusters, and walnut pieces. This was so good. And you know, honestly, the carbs isn't really bad and it has fiber and the sugar really isn't bad either. So I went ahead and got this and this was like $8, I think. But you need to go get you some of these if you like a handful of snacks when you get home from work, or if you're just feeling a little hungry before dinner, you need to try these because these are really good. Now for some home products, some appliances, some home decor, just household items. Have you subscribed to my channel? If not, click that red subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button. They have these sheet sets in king and queen size, but the price tag I'm showing you is for king. Okay, tons of stuff for the house wares or home goods slash housewares. Ton of stuff. So clearly some of the stuff, you know, was stuff we don't need. But there were a couple things that I couldn't pass up. If you know me, you know I love candles. Did get these candles. I got them in the Sangria Sunset. So they're sealed right now, so I don't know what they smell like, but these are regular $20. I got them for $7.91. So I figured, I mean, you can't even get that price at like TJ Maxx or whatever. So I definitely got those. Anyway. Then I had to get one of these. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty. And so, as you can see, navy is my color, decor, accent color, or whatever. So I definitely got this, and this was regular $60. Got it for $20, $40 off, you guys. That's awesome. And my husband just told me, go get the other one, because there were two different styles. The white with the blue, and then the blue with like more blue features. And he told me to go get the other one. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So those were the two things that I got out of the vast array of things from the home goods slash housewares department or category. And finally, for some outdoor slash kids toys slash grilling type items. shop at Sam's or Costco, or both? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, you guys, that is the haul that I got from Sam's today. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also buy, on a regular basis, I buy their toilet paper. I like their toilet paper, and it's like $20 and you get a ton of rolls of toilet paper. But anyway, forgot to mention that, so let me make sure I mention that. But let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you saw today, whether it's anything that I got or anything in the video that you think you might go to Sam's to get. Don't forget, with all the toys that are on sale right now, now would be a great time to start Christmas shopping. I don't know, you might want to take advantage of some of the sales. But anyway, I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.